Hey labs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chinese Kiki, and today I am so excited to show you what I will be doing today for brunch, mid-lunch or lunch, however you want to call it. So today I will be doing this because my husband is sleeping right now and I just want to do this quick. I've already done the setup so you can see already what I have in here, but I just want to show you the things that you can do to make your better half feel appreciated and loved at the same time. Cold outside, and as you can see, it's still snowing. Very cold. It's -7, but that doesn't mean we can't surprise our bears, okay? Come, here's our brunch.
Oh wow,
our brunch space.
beautiful, baby.
Yeah,
That's really nice.
see, I set some candles for us, and then I also I did the candles, and then I also did the food, and then I did your bread. I don't know if you like it with the coffee.
Yeah.
But I also made some brinta.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to start with? You want to start with the bread or?
I don't know. One of these.
One of those. I'm not having bread, so I will only have them. I'll have my Domper. I put want to taste it?
Wow, it's good.
It's good, huh? My favorite candle, something that is so special and something that he got me, and it would have been so bad for me not to include it on this specific video. And this is what I got. I got a Christian Dior Paris candle, and I love this beautiful candle because of the scent. And it's not just the scent, it's also something special that I yearn to have, and I totally love it. So first things first. Oh, it already opened itself. So it comes like this, and then when you open it, it looks like that. And then it also comes with a note inside. I assume I got the letter, or I don't know if it's the invoice. And then I will just go ahead and open with you.
Hey guys, as you saw, I got this really nice breakfast from my wife, the best wife in the world. And we really enjoyed it. It was too much food, to be honest, but better too much than too little. And it was a very nice diversity of food. So it was really an amazing surprise, baby.
Yeah, we'll continue on with the day later on, and we'll pop some champagne afterwards, and we'll just continue eating because that's what I made this day for. Continuously eating.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, yes. So I'm really happy that you enjoyed everything that I did today. And I hope, guys, you can also do this for your partners. It doesn't have to be one-way street, like only the men are doing the most for us and we're doing nothing. And that's the main reason why I did this. And please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and
share the video.
Yes.
And really subscribe. And really like.
And share it with your friends. Don't forget to do that.
Yeah, share it anywhere.
And we hope to see you on the next one. And happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.